Okay, now because of this here, they push the left side. So what I'm gonna do is I will go back here, my programming. Where is that piece? This one. You change the left side, you say, right? You change the left side. The VIN number is 903. Check me the VIN number. Mahmoud, give me 2 minutes. I'm in the middle. I can't go back, Mahmoud. Let me clear. Let me come out of this program. It will not take time. Maybe 5 minutes.
Mohammed, like you can't be there 5 minutes. Not only say you say 5 minutes. No.
Complete. You have the key? You have the key with you? Reading the code now. When you say the left side is the driver side, right?
Huh?
When you say left side is the driver side, right?
No, the passenger. We changed the passenger.
So you keep saying left side.
No, the passenger. I said passenger
You
side.
say left side, right?
No, driver side, passenger.
No, I tell you, you change left or right. You say left side.
No, I said right.
You sure? You didn't say left, right? You say left side.
Yeah,
Can you let us out?
passenger side.
Okay,
Two
no
cars
problem.
going out, 2 cars coming in.
Okay, I'm almost done. I cleared this code. Okay.
Mohammed, you don't prove no wire. You can back up the car.
I'm resetting.
You don't prove no computer.
No, I'm resetting the code.
Mohammed, you could say reset the code outside. Let us go inside. People gonna go home just now. I have 2 cars coming in.
So one is done. Wow, nice carpool. Okay, now we finish one. We have this right side.
Me and Ford lah. That's it.
Okay, no, Ford is not good. It's some trouble.
Huh?
Sometimes a little bit of trouble.
It's a headache.
Okay, let me see here. Sometimes it's crazy. Right side. Okay. Yes. find a spot message. I'm using this as J2534. We're gonna read all the code and see if there is any code available. Okay. SDR. Clear the code. Maybe he got it from aftermarket. If you get it aftermarket, it will not work. I clear all the codes. I don't know where he got it from, but let me see what it is for.